Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this before and after video transition in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select a video here, and I'm just going to copy and paste it, and then I'm going to go to the adjustments tab, and I'm going to add in like a few adjustments to it. You can kind of like apply it to your liking, I guess, and maybe add in like a filter and add in like some effects to it as well. Go to effects here, and I'll go to like the retro one and add that one on. Okay, so on the second video, go to the video section, go to mask and select the horizontal one, and you're going to rotate it this way. So we want it to go like that. Just add that line here, add a keyframe, and in the middle we're going to take that line, if I can just grab it, and place it on the very right, and it's going to add that like before and after transition. You can add a mask if you'd like to, but I'm just going to leave it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.